Exploring the phrase, bike lane. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very common phrase that you might come across, especially in cities, bike lane. By the end of this video, you'll understand what this term means and how to use it in your conversations. Let's start by breaking down the phrase. Bike. A bicycle, a two-wheeled vehicle that you pedal to move. Lane. A narrow road or path. When you combine these two words, you get bike lane. But what does it mean when they come together? Let's find out in the next section. A bike lane is a designated part of a road or street that's reserved specifically for bicycles. This means cars, trucks, and other motor vehicles are not allowed in this lane. There are a few reasons why cities have bike lanes. 1. Safety. It provides a safe space for cyclists, away from the faster-moving vehicles. 2. Organization. It keeps traffic organized. Cars know where to expect bikes and vice versa. 3. Promotion of cycling. Encouraging people to ride bikes reduces traffic and is environmentally friendly. Now that we understand the meaning, let's see how we can use it. 1. Always ride your bicycle in the bike lane to stay safe. 2. The city just added a new bike lane downtown to encourage more people to cycle. 3. Watch out for cyclists when you're driving near a bike lane. There you have it. The phrase, bike lane, is an essential term, especially in urban environments. Remember, it's a special lane just for bicycles, making it safer and more organized for everyone on the road. We hope this video has been enlightening. And the next time you see or hear bike lane, you'll know exactly what it means. Safe cycling, everyone.